Hi, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll install and set up Apache Kafka locally. Well, it's pretty simple to install and set up Apache Kafka locally. Just follow the steps that I am going to implement in this lecture. Well, head over to the browser and in a new tab, just type Apache Kafka download and hit enter. So go ahead and click on this first link, that is download Apache Kafka. So this will navigate to the Apache Kafka downloads page. Well, here you can see get started tab, and within that here you can see quick start link. So go ahead and click on this quick start link over here. Well, in this course we are going to use Apache Kafka quick start page a lot. Okay, so just scroll down and here you can see the steps. So these are the steps are pretty useful to install and set up the Kafka locally. Well, let's take a look into the step 1. Step 1 is get Kafka. It means we need to download the latest Kafka release locally and then we need to extract it. So go ahead and click on this download link over here. Well, go ahead and click on this link to download Apache Kafka as a tar file locally. Well, I am going to click on this link. Kafka is downloading in a file system, so it will take a couple of seconds as per the internet speed. Well, once Apache Kafka downloaded as a zip file or a tar file, then go ahead and open in a folder and just go ahead and extract this file. So I am going to extract it. Now let's go and let's rename to this folder. So I am going to rename as Kafka. So just remove the version from here. Let's keep Kafka. Alright, now let's see the second step. So let me go back here, and second step is like we need to start the Kafka environment. Well, before starting the Kafka environment, make sure that you have installed Java 8 on your machine. Alright, next we need to start the Zookeeper. Well, you might be wondering what is Zookeeper, right? So here you can see the diagram, Kafka ecosystem diagram over here. So this Kafka ecosystem has a Kafka cluster, and within a Kafka cluster we have 3 Kafka brokers. Kafka broker 1, 2, 3. Alright, and here we have one Zookeeper. So Zookeeper is basically a service that will manage the state of all the Kafka brokers within a Kafka cluster, and it will also manage the configuration of topic and producer and consumer as well. Alright, so just remember we need to start the Zookeeper so that it will start managing the state of Kafka brokers in a Kafka cluster. Well, in our case we have only one Kafka broker that we are going to install locally. So first we need to start the Zookeeper so that it will manage the state of the Kafka broker. Well, in order to start the Zookeeper service, we need to execute this sh file, that is zookeeper-server-start.sh. Well, this sh file is located within a bin folder. If you go to Kafka, just expand the Kafka, and here we have a bin. Within bin folder you can see all these sh files. So these sh files will support for Mac and Linux. If you are using Windows, then make sure that you will use these bat files. Okay, so I am using Mac, so I am going to execute the sh files. Alright, so just search for zookeeper-server-start.sh over here, and there we go. So here you can see zookeeper-server-start.sh. So this is the sh file we are going to run in order to start the Zookeeper service. So just go back to browser and let me copy this command and let me execute in a terminal. So let me copy it and let me open the terminal over here, and let me zoom this terminal and let me paste here. So before executing this command we need to move into Kafka folder, right? So just go ahead and type cd, and then we need to move to the downloads folder, right? Downloads, hit enter, and within downloads folder we have Kafka folder, right? So cd Kafka, and then we need to enter this command. So within Kafka folder we have bin folder, within bin folder we have this sh file, and then config/zookeeper.properties. Well, this sh file will refer all the properties from this properties file. Hit enter, and there we go. You can see Zookeeper service has started. Well, once Zookeeper service has started, then we can go ahead and run the Kafka broker service. Well, just open a new terminal session and run this command. Well, let me copy this command Well, if you can see this command over here, in order to start the Kafka broker service, we are going to run this sh file, that is kafka-server-start.sh. so this sh file is located within a bin folder. Well, let me go to Kafka again, and within the bin folder you can see a bunch of sh files. So if you are using Windows, then you should use a bat file. Okay, so let me search for Kafka server start.sh file. So this is the sh file that we are going to run in order to start the Kafka broker service. Well, let me go back to the steps. Let me copy this command and let me go to the terminal. So if you are using Windows, then make sure that you use command prompt. Well, let me open the new cell. Okay, so let me zoom it little bit. So if you are using Windows, then you can go ahead and open new command prompt. So let me go into the downloads folder, cd downloads, cd Kafka. Within downloads folder we have Kafka folder, right? So go to the Kafka folder and then run this command, that is kafka-server-start.sh file, and make sure that you provide this server.properties file. Okay, because this sh file basically refer all the properties from this server-properties file. So let me hit enter. So this will run the Apache Kafka broker service. Well, let me maximize this. Well, Apache Kafka broker service will run on localhost 9092. So let me just search for 9092 port and let me show you the log. It states the Apache broker service has started. Let me search for 9092 and there we go. So this is the log statement. You can able to see recorded new controller. From now on we'll use a broker service localhost 9092, which means our Apache Kafka broker service is started on port 9092. Alright, and this localhost colon 9092 we are going to use in our Spring Boot application in order to interact with the Kafka. Okay, great. Now let me go back to the steps. Once all services has successfully launched, you will have a basic Kafka environment running and ready to use. Well, we have started Zookeeper service as well as Kafka broker service. Now we are good to use a Kafka broker service in our local machine. Well, let me recap what we have done in this lecture. We have downloaded the latest version of Kafka from the official website, and then we have installed in our local machine, and then we have started Zookeeper service as well as Kafka broker service. Now we are good to use a Kafka environment in our Spring Boot application.